Hello, this will be a short unboxing and presentation of a solar powered camera from TP-Link. It's the Tapo C410. It comes as a kit with the solar panel and the camera itself. It's a 3 megapixel camera that features an included solar high efficiency solar panel that can charge the camera with just 45 minutes of direct sunlight per day. I don't know about that, but probably an hour and a half will be more than enough to charge the camera for continuous working. It features customizable sound and light alarm. I think the camera has some LEDs that can be lit on when it detects a person or it triggers the alarm. It features colored night vision, which enhances the nighttime security. It functions via Wi-Fi. You can purchase a subscription from TP-Link and they will provide with cloud storage for your videos. If you don't have a subscription, you can record videos on the SD card slot. It features two-way audio, so you can hear the audio in the camera's area, and you can also talk through the camera. It features people's detection, local and cloud storage as I mentioned, and IP65 weather protection. So let's see what it includes. The solar panel itself with some cable. I think this is an extension cable in case you don't want to mount the solar panel in the same location as the camera. I think this is 4 meters. Cap, the mounting support, and this is for the solar panel. Okay, you can rotate it. some mounting screws, the camera itself, not too heavy, about 1 kilogram, I would say, maximum 1 kilogram. Okay. USB-C charging, you can charge it via USB-C. And I think this is for the micro SD card. Included USB-A to USB-C cable. Technical support card. Quick illustrated installation and operation guide, a template for the screws, I think this is for the separate mounting of the solar panel, some legal paperwork, a quick start guide, 2 scenarios, mounting the solar panel only, or mounting with the camera on the same supports. You can pause the video and read the documentation if you want. Okay, and some mounting instructions. Also, it seems you should first charge the camera for 5.5 to 7.5 hours, and then install the Tapo app and add the camera there, and proceed with the mounting. So this is it. I bought this camera for my own use. This video, as always, is not edited. I taped it in one take. Let me know if you have any questions. I will be installing this camera and several others on my property, so I will be using it daily. Let me know if you have any questions about it, and I'll try to answer in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.